नमस्कार बच्चों। आज आप सभी के लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ी खुशखबरी है। ओके, जो आपके स्क्रीन पर दिख रही है, जो आपका एनुअल एग्ज़ाम होगा 2020-21 के लिए, उसका जो एनुअल एग्ज़ाम का स्ट्रक्चर है कोर्स का, साइंस सब्जेक्ट का, वो सीबीएसई ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया है। ओके, फॉर योर एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन, okay, only 5 units are there. First unit, chemical substances, nature and behaviors, जो 26 मार्क के लिए है। वर्ड ऑफ अ लिविंग 23 मार्क के लिए। नेचुरल फेनामेना 12 मार्क्स के लिए। इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट, ओके, 14 मार्क के लिए। नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस 5 मार्क्स, ओके, एंड टोटल है 80। इंटरनल असेसमेंट के लिए 20 मार्क है, पूरा 100, ओके। The every unit having the theme, okay. The first unit having the theme is materials. Regarding the material, all things are included in that units, okay. In the first unit, okay, the chemical substances, nature and behavior. Regarding that chemical substances, chemical reactions, balanced chemical equation, implication of a balanced chemical equation, type of a chemical reaction. In that, so many chemical reactions, okay, combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, precipitation, neutralization, oxidation and reduction, that all reactions in first unit. Next is acid, bases and salts, okay. In that, definition, terms about furnishing of H plus ion and OH ions, general properties, example, uses of acid and bases, concept of a pH scale. In that, definition, relation to logarithm not required, means those relations are there, is no importance of a pH in everyday life. What is the role of pH in our life? That the most important. Preparation and uses of sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda and plaster of Paris. Next point is metal and non-metals, carbon and compounds, the periodic classification of elements, that all, okay. In that, laws, different laws, Mendeleev's law, Dobereiner's, Newland's, okay. Next unit, the theme is the world of the living. In that, life processes, okay. In that, nutrition, respiration, transport and excretions in the plant and animal. Next, reproduction and heredity. In the heredity, the Mendel's contribution, law of inheritance, okay, sex determination, that all concepts, okay. In reproduction, in animal and plants, sexual and asexual reproduction, okay, that is the most important point. And about the those are sex disease, okay. In third, the theme natural phenomenon. In that natural phenomenon, the reflection of light, okay, image formed by a spherical mirror, center of a curvature, principal axis, that all points regarding the reflection of light, okay, that is the most important. Those are in a red line. Derivation not required, that is the those are parts that was dropped out. Derivation, okay. Law of reflection, refractive index, refraction of a light by spherical lens, image formed by a spherical lens, lens formula, okay. Derivation not required here. Here is most important, means in the natural phenomena chapter there are those are derivation that are not required for your examination, okay, and that all are easy to you. Next is how things work. In that, effect of current, okay, the potential difference and electric current, Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity factor on which the resistance of a conductor depends, a series combination, that is the most important thing in this chapter, that is the parallel combination and perpendicular, okay, parallel combination of resistors, okay, and series combination, that all two important points and application in daily life, okay. Here the magnetic effect of current, okay, in that field due to a current carrying uh, electromagnetic inductor, Fleming left hand rule, okay, electric motor, okay, Fleming right hand rule, induce a potential difference, that points are most important. Next and last chapter is natural resources. Natural resources, our environment, okay, in that ecosystem, environmental problem, ozone depletion, waste production and their solutions, okay, biodegradable and non-degradable substances, that all things, okay. Next, this is only for your internal assessment, means management of natural resources, that all means sustainable development, water harvesting, advantages of a dam, that all things are for your internal assessment. And this is for your practical, okay, which that dark line means unit first, what are acceptations, this is the for your only practice, okay, which are the practicals for your final examination. Here are nine practicals for your final examination, that's why that totally depended on your theory, okay. Those are theoretical portions we are taking in your class, that all theoretical portions for your practical. Okay, here end. Why I am taking very fastly, because the video making so long and students are boring about it, that's why I was prepared it very shortly, okay. Those important things are for your examination, that's what's taken in this video, okay. If you have in detail, you can take the screenshot, okay, for your preparation. Today we are stop here.